Yeah, great. Why? What's your name, sir, and why are you doing this?
Excuse me?
What's your name, sir, and why are you doing this?
I don't have any idea what you're talking about.
Are you, like, drunk or something?
No.
Because you're acting
No,
like
I just hate all your shit on your car.
Oh, that's really pleasant.
Isn't that great? Yeah. Why don't you redo it? Yeah.
Call the police.
No,
Let's also
well,
call National Grid so that we can make sure this Thanks. So this guy from National Grid is here blasting some conservative talk radio station because he dislikes my bumper stickers. This guy is sitting in front of our house blasting Trump talk radio and talking about how great Trump is, because he doesn't like the bumper stickers on my car. So he thinks it's okay to disrupt an entire neighborhood over this. And he's like doing it in a National Grid vehicle. He is on the job, which is ridiculous. Then go to your job. What's your problem? Go someplace else. You're the one who's stopping in front of somebody's house because you dislike their bumper stickers. I mean, I don't go in front of any Trump person's house and scream and blast like Rachel Maddow first thing in the morning. You are seriously disturbed, sir. You're seriously disturbed. No, because you know what?
You're on the opposite side of the complete
Wow.
universe
I really...
of the country, right? It's just so absurd.
You have some serious problems.